Hi guys, it's Melissa here from Melissa Shares, and I don't know about you, but our family is looking forward to Valentine's Day, but we also have a small family with young children, and we're on a budget, and we don't really have a babysitter to call, and if we did, we probably wouldn't want to pay for a babysitter. So this year, we're going to be doing a beautiful and romantic candlelit dinner at home. We're doing actually a practice run in honor of Daddy's birthday tonight. Yay, Daddy! And so I wanted to show you an example of how we entertain and do romantic dinners, including our children. And I also wanted to tell you the other reason why I think this is really important and something that you should consider even if you're not on a budget. There are a lot of people who sort of wring their hands and lament the sort of disappearance of romance from everyday life. People are swiping this way and that, they're internet dating, or maybe they're not dating at all, and that's sort of a shame. So I think that having a romantic dinner and including your children like my parents did with me when I was a child is something really special, and it's a way that you can model age-appropriate romance for your kids, and I think it's something that will stick with them. Tonight, I'm going to be serving in the dining room. We cleared the table, we set the table. It's an opportunity to show your children what does a nice table look like. And we're just using things that we have around the house. I did go to the Dollar Tree and I picked up some long, elegant taper candles for $1. I'm serving a steak dinner tonight that is a manager's special steak. It's gonna be for dinner tonight and leftovers through the week. And Daddy and I are having very elegant avocados. We're sharing a 99-cent avocado that will have our preferred salad dressing in the center. And it's just a really simple dinner with the steaks that were on sale, mushrooms that were on clearance. We're having tomato cups, and I'll link up that recipe for you because it's one of our favorite recipes using hothouse tomatoes. And I've made noodles. Yay! This sort of setup and dinner could be really fun to pull off with a movie night with your family. There could be some Lady and the Tramp happening. There could be a princess movie with a prince in it. Obviously, not every night and not every budget can accommodate a dinner like this. We recently tried to have a candlelit fancy dinner and it didn't go as planned, and we had fish sticks for dinner. But really anything that you have for dinner, if it's by candlelight and with a nice table setting, is something that's really beautiful, and I know your family is going to enjoy. For dessert or for an appetizer, we're having our strawberries, and I picked up some donut holes at the bakery, so that's gonna be a fun little Valentine's Day treat. If you're interested in more Valentine's Day ideas, I just shot a Lunchbox video that I'll link up for you for sending Valentine's themed lunchboxes to school with your child. As always, I really appreciate you being here. I would love to hear what you do with your family for Valentine's Day, because I know it's tricky when you have young kids at home and you're not like a young whippersnapper dating like we used to be. But I would say this is a pretty good plan. I would love to hear from you. Take care.